Climb inside the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.